If you're cleansing with Yummy Yoni Pearls or considering it, here are a few tips to keep in mind. These are 6 things you should never do during a Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse and why. Number 1, don't start your cleanse until you read the directions in full. With each Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse, an applicator and detailed instructions are included. Number 2, itching is a side effect. If you experience itching during your cleanse, make sure you're drinking the recommended amount of water every day. Don't use yeast infection creams or pills. You're detoxing. Number 3, don't dig out the toxins. The toxins will pass naturally over the next 6 days after removing your Yummy Yoni Pearls. No worries, be patient, and trust the process. Number 4, do not have anal or vaginal sex during your Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse. Receiving oral is included too. This could cause irritation or discomfort. Number 5, do not leave your Yummy Yoni Pearls inserted longer than 72 hours. Make sure you time your cleanse accurately. Set a timer on your phone. Number 6, do not wear tampons if your cycle does start during your Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse. Simply remove your Yummy Yoni Pearls and wear pads for the next 6 days. You'll still detox. I hope this video was helpful for you. To learn more about our Yummy Yoni Pearls, visit us online at prettykittyboutique.net, or you can shop in store with us in Atlanta at the Photo Shop. Bye!